Logan. This is Dr. Blumenthal with Natural Transplants, and we're here with Logan. Logan, you are about 13 months out, just over a year from the procedure.
Yes, sir.
How are you feeling? How has everything sort of turned out from your perspective?
I'm feeling great.
Yeah.
I couldn't be more happy with the result. As you can see, it's all like completely filled in.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
You have had an incredible result. It looks fantastic. I mean, you look like a different person from the sides, especially. It looks really good. It's really filled in well. How has it sort of changed, if anything? Has it sort of changed what you can't do going out? Has it changed your life in any way?
Oh yeah, obviously.
Yeah.
You know, before I always had my hair down and straight. Which
Yeah.
It just I just was over it. I wanted
Remember the before pictures? You had it sort of separated coming down. Yeah.
Yeah. Now it's all out. I'm not insecure at all about people seeing like bald patches or anything.
Yeah.
I couldn't be more happy.
That's so cool. And you said you didn't have any problems with the scar on the back. It's not causing any pain. Obviously,
No.
your hair is so thick and rich, you'd never be able to see it from that standpoint.
No, I don't recall having any sort of discomfort with the back. No, sir.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And then, so we're going to overlay some of the before pictures afterwards. If you wouldn't mind doing me a favor and just sort of look down, hold it for maybe two or 3 seconds.
No problem.
Yeah. Looks good. And then just look to your right. Hold it for about 2 or 3 seconds. And that's really where you see the big difference right there. And then to the other side, to the left, hold it for 2 or 3 seconds. And that's crazy. Wow. I love it. So fantastic. So fantastic. So like I said, you are free. That you sort of at the 12-month mark, you've you know, it probably exceeded expectations, to be honest with you. It looks fantastic.
Yeah.
And I'm thrilled for you.
Yeah, thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you so much. I can't thank you enough.
Yeah,
honestly.
no problem. Any sort of words of advice or anybody sort of that would be, you know, sort of on the fence or thinking about doing it, you know, good, bad?
I would just say go for it. You know, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take.
True.
So yeah, I would highly encourage it. Just do it. Take that plunge. It'll all be worth it in due time.
Awesome, Logan. So happy for you. Thanks for doing this, and you know, feel free to reach out at anything, any other time. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right, Logan.
All right. Thank you so much.
All right, man. Take care.
Bye-bye.
All right. Bye-bye.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.